Yo people, what's up? How you doing? Okay, keep the ball rolling, guys. Keep the ball rolling. Keep the ball rolling. You know, something doesn't work out with someone. I mean, keep it rolling. I mean, it looked as if something was gonna work out. Maybe it was, but then she fucked up. Whether she liked or not, she fucked up. I mean, all these kind of excuses up and down. I mean, she literally fucked up. Anyways, if it doesn't go as planned, if things start to, like subvert, like, calm down from up to down, and she's not even making, she's like, stop trying to make what if, make contacts, initiate moves, responses. So if it happens like that, guys, you've got to learn to move on. You got to learn to move on. I mean, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. I mean, always keep it rolling. Keep it rolling. Don't sit down for too long and start to feel sorry for yourself, or start to feel so bad about the situation. Become a lot moody, like so like just being unhappy, like is it pity pata, like you start just realize that there are other people around. They ain't just one person, one individual. There are other people around, and no matter how beautiful a lady is, believe me, no matter how physically attractive someone is, believe me, there are others that are just about the same, if not more, and more, actually, and more. Like, some are not even born yet, so maybe some are born, but you just be too older than them. But I mean, even within your age group right now, there are a lot of beautiful girls, there are a lot of pretty women. There are a lot of them, even more than this one that is fucking up. Yeah, come on. So even if you meet someone good, someone attractive, man, don't just don't stop. Advise you, don't stop until maybe you see something attractive in her. I mean, you see something kind of like worth staying, like, okay, and you're feeling this girl, I mean, and don't compromise, bro. Don't compromise. Don't compromise. So even if you meet someone new, trying to change, switch over from the other person, trying to move forward as quickly as possible. Know that this new person is your life force, is your life, or it's a do or die thing. No, you just want to move on, and you don't mind having one or two persons around. If you meet someone attractive, man, don't put all your eggs in that basket because you don't know who the person is. You just met her for the first time. No, you don't know nothing about her. You don't know nothing about her. So, I'm sorry, guys. My light is blinking. Light girl's problem is blinking up and down. Just high current affected a few days ago. So that's it. So even if you meet someone, you don't just don't throw your eggs in that basket, guys. If you find some other person attractive, meet the person too, like 2 or 3 people, just believe you are attractive, act as an attractive person, someone who has the ability to, really attracting a girl, not just your looks, not just by your looks. I have I have a swelling here. That's why, so rub some love. Like I got hit the other day, and I'll make a video, just my own experience, my own lesson from that experience. So guys, it's always important to keep the ball rolling. Don't mind the lights if it blinks again. Don't mind it. That's it. Don't mind if it blinks again. Just do you keep the ball rolling, guys. Keep it rolling. Keep it rolling. You never know. You never know. There's no need to tie down to someone or to a situation that doesn't look like as if it's gonna go up, to a bad situation, an unhappy situation. You deserve more than that. You deserve your happiness, and best believe, man, that person might even try to move on. So you do yourself a favor, move on, stand up. That's you loving yourself more. That's you loving yourself more. Meet someone else, move on, and just believe you've got what it takes. The person even hesitating to give you a number, why can't you give me a number? Like, why? What, am I bad looking? Is there anything wrong with me? Tell me, fill me in. Why don't you want to? Why, okay? Why don't you want to give me a number? That kind of thing. So you just keep on pestering, like not pestering, persevering, and just trying to find a reason why before the person might let you have that number. I don't know, something good might start up from there. You know what I'm saying? So that's it, guys. Always keep it rolling. This one fucks up, even if she doesn't fuck up. If you see someone else, I'm gonna still meet that person. I'm not putting all my eggs in one basket. Understand what I'm saying? So just keep on meeting new people, guys. Keep on meeting new people. I mean, you never know. You never know what might happen. You never know. Even if you're here just for a short time, you're gonna leave soon. You could. I mean, there's no need having that person's number or contact or. So just keep it rolling every time, guys. Keep it rolling every single time. Keep it rolling. Keep the ball rolling, like Ronaldo. Keep it rolling, guys. Don't stop playing the ball. Don't stop playing football. Keep it rolling. There's no reason to sit down and pitter patter on any situation, to feel sorry, feel bad, feel cry. You're unhappy. Just know when you get out there, you're gonna see more attractive girls and personalities. If it gets to that point, then the person who you are bitter pattering over, you understand what I'm saying? Person who you're kind of feeling bad about, it's normal. I understand, it's normal. It hurts. It hurts when the person kind of hurts you when it hurts the way they treat us sometimes. It hurts when it hurts when we think in our mind that, okay, this person doesn't like me again, probably because person don't see you finish. Best believe, bro, that person hasn't seen you finish. Or maybe person thinks you're less attractive again, you're no longer, fine or whatever, I don't know. So it hurts when people, treat us some ways, and it's like we don't deserve it. It hurts when it seems someone doesn't really want us like that anymore. So do yourself a favor and move on. Do yourself a favor, move on. Keep the ball rolling. Keep the ball rolling. Don't sit down in one place and start crying and start, crying, sobbing, moping, feeling morose, not moping, but feeling morose, feeling down. Don't start, don't keep yourself in one place crying and sobbing continuously, crying over a situation with a girl, with a lady. Move on, keep the ball rolling, move on as quickly and as soon as possible. Thank you, guys.